Good morning. Happy Easter. This is TerrorPUP, and I'm doing a sample recording this morning. I've been trying to record the desktop of the M7 from Banana Pi, and unfortunately I couldn't get OBS to work. What you're seeing right now is not the Ubuntu desktop that comes with it. I went ahead and installed full KDE just to see how it would work on there, and I have to admit it's quite beautiful. There are some things not working right. We will definitely go over that, but just to kind of give you guys a feel of how this looks. Okay. Like I said, this is some of the stuff that's not working correctly. Let's see if we can get GNOME up here, because like I said, keeps complaining that there's QTS or Qt files missing, but you know, this is GNOME, not GNOME, so that gives, a little bit of sense. Here we go. All right. And we want to look at resources real quick. As you can see, all 8 cores are there. Only one of them right now is being pegged at 100%. And I bet that's because of the recording, but right now of the 8 gigs we're only using 1.6 gigs, and I only have one of the 2.5 gigahertz plugged in, and sorry, I kind of paused there for a second, but no, I only have one of the 2.5 gig Ethernet adapters plugged in. And the other thing that I still don't know how it's doing it, because 1 minute it's working, 1 minute it's not, but we are running right now on the NVMe, which is nice. And so far I've been really impressed. Okay, and just to show you guys, I'm going to launch a different browser because I'm not signed into it, but we're going to launch Brave. Brave I've installed using Flatpak. Okay, Snap is on here too. And just to show you guys how well stuff has been working, okay, and right now, there we go. We're not dropping, well, we are here for some reason. Well, not as many. Let's go ahead and crank this up to 1080p. But the playback, as you can see, is just phenomenal. Been really enjoying this. I'm not a big fan of Ubuntu, as you guys know, but the KDM has been really running nice. We're going to do full screen for a second. And we're not dropping, like I said, a lot of packages, so this has been phenomenal. The Rockchip 3588 is just, it's incredible. And again, this particular board that I have, it's a demo board. Banana Pi sent it to me. So it only came with 8 gigs, okay? It does have a 64 gig EMC. So we'll just hold on. I think it should be here. Hold on, cheap part. And if it doesn't come up here in a second, we'll go ahead and launch console. Let's go ahead and do that just to make sure that it is installed. So, alright, sudo app install gparted. And I'm using a different mic with this. So this is the Tenor. I will put a description in there. I actually got this on sale at Amazon for 25 bucks. So now you should see it here in the menu. If not, there it is. And like I said, right now, this is the default eMMC, and you can tell that. And I'm actually going to wipe this, and I'm going to install Armbian here because I want to try it out. I think it'd do pretty good. This is my SD card. And this right here is the 1 terabyte, NVMe that's in the M2 slot on the bottom of the board, and it's pretty incredible. Just to show you guys that even though I don't have antennas, okay, if I had some of the antennas plugged up, my strengths would be a lot stronger. But we're pretty much picking up wireless around here. Luckily, I got my Banana R2 acting as a switch on top of my desk. But yeah, so far, like I said, it's been very, very nice. So alright, I'm making the text a little bit bigger. Okay. And what I want to do is just kind of go over some stuff, give you guys a little bit of benchmarking, because normally I don't do this because I don't have the tools. So I'm just going to show you guys what I know. So there's our 8 gigs, okay, and proc mem info will show you everything that's being used right now. We're not using any of the swap. I don't know why it says there's swap. I didn't create a swap directory. I should have. All I did was expand it out. I may see, because this is ext4, I can shrink it. I'll just have to do it from a different OS running on this board and just add it right now. Okay, and then we'll take a look real quick at the CPU information, and as you can see, we're running right now of the 8 BIOS, okay, and it's really not giving what I was hoping it would give. Let's just keep going down. I was hoping it would show at what rate we're running, but we do have our full 8. Okay. All right, and yeah, we're doing really good because, like I said, of the 8 gigs, you can't see it because it's I have transparency turned on. Here, let's do this. so that you guys can see it better. I've always liked console and all that. I've used KDE off and on since the late 90s. I can remember when it first came out. It had some really, like I said, cool feature. Hell, I remember when GNOME first came out, but you needed like ICE WM or some other Windows management. GNOME 3 to me is still the best. I won't start on GNOME 4, but anyway, see, we're using less than 2 gigs. Okay, video playback is good. Because I'm on my NVMe, I don't have a lot of the applications installed, but the snap seems to be good. It's just real phenomenal how well it's running. So this is, like I said, I did my video the other day where I was showing you guys my first impression. This is just showing you guys a little bit more. Alright, and I'm going to try to find other things I can to do with this board. I have a challenge with a couple other content creators, and I'm waiting for them to be able to do the challenge with me. But we're going to pick one ARM board, and for 30 days we're going to use it as a desktop. Now, part of the rules of this is that, you know, if you got to do work stuff like create videos and things, you can use your other board, but for day-to-day stuff that you're going to use, you know, an ARM board for that. You know, I don't think I really said ARM, so it's a possibility someone can use X2L or an X1 and use that. But anyway, this is TerrorPUP. I hope you guys find this useful, and like I said, I will record more.